Welcome to this lightingsupply.com product detail video. Today, we will be looking at the SATCO NUVO 54W corncob LED. An economical replacement for the 250 HID bulbs, this bulb is cULus listed, RoHS compliant, DLC standard, and is damp location rated. This SATCO NUVO LED bulb has a wattage of 54 watts and a voltage range of 100 to 277 volts. It has a Mogul EX39 base and a minimum operating temperature of -20 degrees Celsius or -4 degrees Fahrenheit and a maximum operating temperature of 65 degrees Celsius or 149 degrees Fahrenheit. Non-dimmable, this corncob-shaped bulb has a color rendering index of 80 and uses LEDs to give off 7,200 lumens of light. It has a daylight color tone with a Kelvin temperature of 5,000. Rated for an average life of 50,000 hours, this bulb has a beam angle of 300 degrees, providing large amounts of light over a wide area, making them ideal for car parks or parking structures, street lights, stadium lighting, warehouses, or anywhere that requires a lot of light. You can order this product from SATCO NUVO and hundreds of thousands of other lighting products at lightingsupply.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified of new videos posted every week.